Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Thursday, July 23rd. I am not in any active trades just yet, but here's what I'm looking at for today. I was watching silver after my speech that I gave yesterday about it, and um, down here we got a completed divergence in the oversold area right in here, and I missed this trade. I wanted to jump in. I was watching order flow and it shot up really quick. So right now I have a limit order set and see if I can get back into it again at 1060 or 1469. So just above the value area low. I'm gonna see if we can actually get filled on this one. This one's going back up to settlement by my diagnosis. So I'm gonna see if I can catch that one again. I was just a little slow on the trigger, and since I don't believe in chasing trades, I'll see if it comes back to me and we'll try it again. So okay, I'm gonna pause it for a bit and I will fill you in if we have any action. All right. Okay, so this particular trade, I had set a limit order at 1469. Didn't quite get there. It closed at 1471, and so I went ahead and entered at that particular level at 1471. My stop is set just below value area low here at 1468, and then I have a take profit order set up here right on settlement at 1476.5. So I will fill you guys in and we'll see how this trade goes. All right. Okay, so on silver, we've just kind of stalled out for the most part. It's just moving sideways. I'm still in this particular trade. It's just sitting at break even still. So I'm gonna just let it ride out. My risk management is put into place right there at 1468, and then take profit up here at settlement. So here's one I'm looking at right now though. ES. We are approaching a major support level. This yellow line right here. It's support from last week, I believe, but it hadn't been penetrated in quite a while, and then it's about to bounce off this one deviation level also. So what I have done is set a limit order to go long right there on 2095 with a I haven't determined my exact stop, but I'm sure it's going to be right at 20, about 20. I think I'm gonna have to give it a little wiggle room on this one here. So if it gets in this trade 2095, I will set my stop at 8 ticks at 2092, and then this is going to be a futures trade and also an at the money binary trade. Let me go back over here to Nadex and see. Yeah, 2095 on the daily. That's on the daily contract. So let's see if it gets on down here. It's right at 67.50 right now. So I set a working order to enter the market at $52. So we'll see what happens on this particular one here. And then I'm going to write in my futures trade at 2095. Okay, buy 2095 and submit. Okay, so I'm in working orders right now, and we'll see how this all plays out. So I'm not in this trade just yet. I'm looking for it to push down a little more, and we'll see what happens here. But it hadn't broke this yellow line for quite a while, and then I like the bounce. I like this deviation level sitting here also, and then as it approaches the oversold, just a lot of things are starting to line up. So it's looking like it may turn into a high probability trade. So I'll watch it here and see, and I will report back if and when I get into this market. So, okay, guys. All right, guys. Okay, this particular trade, it kept hovering. It kept bouncing off 2095.50. So I went ahead and got in on this one. I'm not sure if it's still going to break or not, but this is really too good of a trade to pass. And I was actually close enough to my entry to get in. So I am in a futures contract long at 2095.50, and I am also in a binary, let me see here, the 2095 binary, daily binary at 60.50. So I'm going to let this one play on out on the futures contract, and I'm thinking it is going to come back up here to the -5 standard deviation. So I'm going to set a take profit at 20, what does that say, 2102. I'm going to set a take profit at 2101.75 on the futures, and I'm going to set a see what we got. 3 hours 49 minutes left on the binary. I'm going to set a $85 take profit on that particular one there. So okay, just a second. Set 85 on the binary, and that will be a $25 profit on that there per contract. So, okay, that one's done. And then the futures. What did I say? 2101.75. So 2101.75. Okay, and submit. Okay, that's done. So, all right, I will check back with you. Let's see what silver is doing. There's a couple points on silver. Where am I at? Yeah, I got a few points on silver. We'll see what happens. So this is I see why people rarely trade silver now. You know, well, I say that, I really don't know. It seems to be moving really slow though for the U.S. session. But then again, it is lunchtime too in New York, so it is now 12:27 Eastern Standard Time. So we'll check back with you later. All right. Okay, these trades took forever in a day, so I just set my take profits and stops, and I wouldn't work that in my garden. So let me show you what happened. Okay, I had my original, I was thinking it was going to bounce here off the 1 deviation line, off that support line, actually the 1 deviation, and it did. I had a contract, let me see, I had 10 binaries in at 10.95, and I got in at 60 bucks. Set a take profit for $85, and it hit up here somewhere. I don't know. I was out in my garden. So that one was good for 60, 70, 80, for 25 bucks. The 10 contracts. Silver got stopped out, and that's okay too, because I bought it at okay, I got to go back and look through my future stuff. I didn't write any of this down just yet. Anyway, it got stopped out at 1468. So, and got in on that one, not much more than that. Where's my doggone order history? Okay. 1471. Okay. Is that the right one? Anyway, I think so. Anyway, got in 1471, stopped out at 1468. So, whatever that difference is. Anyhow, day looks fairly break-even-ish. I don't ever trade this late. So, that's why I went to work in my garden anyway. And I just set my stuff. So, anyway, break-even day. Lived to trade another day. Risk management was in place. And I am done trading, so I will see you guys later. So I totally forgot to mention this trade here. It's actually one of my futures long trades. Okay, I got in at 20.95.50 on that one. I set my take profit at 21.0175. So when I came in and I shut down my charts, got done trading, I forgot to mention that I also closed my futures trade at 21.50, and looks like I did just in the nick of time, huh? Boy, that's one of the things that yeah, I can't even explain it. You've seen them go against you so many times. It's always good to see them go in your favor, getting out just in the nick of time. So, all right, I am done trading for the day. So instead of break even, it's actually put me up about $225 for the day. So I'll take it. Yeah, anytime you can stay in the black, you are good to go. So, all right, guys, I will see you later. Bye.